The Trillium Line South extension will see the existing 8-kilometer line continue another 12 kilometers from Greenboro Station to Limebank Road and Riverside South, along with an additional 4-kilometer link to the McDonald-Cartier International Airport. New stations will be equipped with fare vending machines and fare gates to be consistent with the fare control system that was recently implemented on the existing Trillium Line stations. In total, 8 new stations will be added with platforms, and the existing 5 Trillium Line stations will be reconstructions with platforms lengthened, will be rehabbed with platforms reconstructed to accommodate the new Stadler vehicles that the city has bought to service the line. Additionally, the signage, lighting, and communication systems will also be upgraded so that it's consistent with the rest of the new extension. So let's have a look at each of these stations. Bayview Station is the nexus point of the entire O-Train system where customers can transfer between Trillium and Confederation Line. It also serves as the north terminus of the station, at least for now. In the forefront of this image, you can see a new pedestrian bridge that is being bundled into the project to be built to connect to Trinity's new development at their cost. A second track and platform will be provided on the east side of the alignment to allow the station to operate as a 2-track station, creating enhanced operational flexibility, including the potential to accommodate an extension to Gatineau. The 2 platforms will be connected with a partially enclosed walkway to allow improved customer access and comfort. A new entrance and plaza will be provided at the southern end of the western train platform extension. Located adjacent to the new entrance are elevators and a stairway to serve the new pedestrian bridge. Gladstone Station will be a new station located north of Gladstone Avenue. And here's a view from track level where you can see how the entrance will be centered above the alignment with a new station plaza integrated with the existing Gladstone Avenue bridge. The eastern edge of the station's public plaza will be separated from the north-south MUP with landscape and design elements to prevent pedestrian and cyclist conflicts. The station is also being designed to protect for potential second-story connections with future development on both east and the west side of Gladstone Station. Walkley Station will be a new station located south of Walkley Road, adjacent to the commercial property to the east and close to the retail along Bank Street. The station will front onto Walkley Road east of the Southeast Transitway Station. Walkley Station will include a combination of signage, architectural elements, and landscape features to clearly announce the station location from the road. South Quay Station is a key hub connecting the Southeast Transitway, located adjacent to the South Quays shopping mall. It will be expanded to serve as a transfer station between the Airport Link and Trillium Line. These transfers will be timed to minimize trip times in either direction with a roof to shelter passengers. The station will have a center platform and include at least 1 fare-paid entrance from the passageway connecting the MUP on the west side. And here's a look at the entrance from the pathway network on the west side at Sawmill Creek, which customers will use if they're coming from the airport pedestrian bridge. Leitrim Station is an existing bus station and park and ride facility located south of Leitrim Road that will be rebuilt for LRT. The new Leitrim Station will be a line and transfer station with the existing park and ride to have capacity for over 330 spaces day 1. The new station will have a minimum of 1 fare-paid entrance with access to the park and ride. It will be designed and constructed to allow the bus platform to remain in service while the system is down for maintenance in non-operating hours. So essentially overnight, while we're still running buses through it. Bowesville Station will be a new station located east of Bowesville and south of Earl Armstrong. The new station will offer a substantial park and ride facility which will be constructed with an initial capacity of approximately 800 spaces to support transit commutes for communities such as Greeley, Manotick, and Metcalfe. It will have a minimum of 1 fare-paid entrance and will be designed to allow the bus platform to remain accessible to the public during LRT's non-operational hours as well. Limebank Station will be the new terminal station located west of Limebank Road and south of Earl Armstrong. The station will have a minimum of 1 fare-paid entrance with access provided also along the new Main Street. It will be designed as an urban station with direct access to an on-street bus facility located north of the alignment. Turning now to the Airport Link, Upland Station will be a new station located east of Uplands Drive, adjacent to the EY Center. The station will have 1 fare-paid entrance serving the EY Center and a pedestrian tunnel to serve a future development on the other side of the alignment. The plaza and site will be designed to accommodate Ernst & Young's events. The access road will be realigned directly in front of the UI Center, and the existing parking will be reconfigured to allow for direct access to the station from the UI Center entrance. The airport station is a new station at the Macdonald-Cartier International Airport and will represent the terminus of the airport link. It will be an elevated station located adjacent to the airport departure roadway and the airport passenger terminal building. The entrance and lounge will be an extension of the airport terminal building, and the station platform will be at the same elevation as the third level of the airport passenger terminal building. And I should mention here that the design that's shown is not the design that the airport is doing. It was sort of a placeholder design that TNEX put into their submission. And I should also recognize that as a partner on this project, the airport has contributed approximately $24 million toward the stage 2 to build both the passenger concourse and also through in-kind contributions like property. As you can imagine, the design and build of the station will be closely coordinated with the airport authority. To provide maintenance and storage facilities for Trillium Line, a new Walkley Yard will be constructed on city-owned land west of the current Walkley Yard facility off Albion Road. The new Walkley Yard will be a LEED certified facility and is where Trillium Line vehicles will be cleaned, inspected, maintained, washed, stored, and launched for daily operations. As mentioned, the existing Trillium stations will be upgraded with new platform furniture, improved signage, lighting, and communication systems, as well as the required platform extensions. Elevator redundancy will also be provided at Carlin.